How to see your subscribers on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to see the subscribers on YouTube, what you can simply do is launch any of the browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome. Then on the search bar, just search for youtube.com. Now, as you search for youtube.com, make sure that you're logged into your channel over here. Now, as you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen over here. So I'm just going to zoom in and show you this profile and then tap on the YouTube Studio option over here. Now, as you tap on YouTube Studio, you'll be able to see all the insights about your channel over here. And over here in the channel dashboard, you can see the subscribers. Right now, you can see I have 0 subscribers, but you can see other subscribers as well over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.